Nutanix makes it very easy for admins to do maintenance tasks on their cluster using LCM. But at times, admins need to put individual nodes into maintenance mode for doing tasks like network configuration changes, performing manual firmware updates or replacements. To achieve this, admins had to manually do this using the command line, which was not ideal at times. Well, now with AOS 6.1, admins can put individual nodes into maintenance mode using Prism directly. Hi, I'm Bhavik Desai, and in this video, I will show you how that's done. To show whole node maintenance, what I have over here is a 4-node cluster. Before we look at the nodes, let's go and take a look at the VMs running on this cluster. I have 3 VMs running on this cluster. 2 of those VMs are running on node 4, which I'll take out for maintenance. And out of these 2 VMs, one of these VMs, the CentOS VM, it's been pinned to be only run on node 4, as you can see over here. So now let's go and take a look at the nodes. As I said, we have 4 nodes over here, and we'll be putting node 4 under maintenance. Now, as you can see in Prism, we have the option in AHV to enter maintenance mode for a particular node. So let's go ahead and do that. Since we have a VM, the CentOS VM, which is pinned to this node, it gives us a message that we need to okay powering of that VM before that node can be taken out for maintenance. And you can take a look at the VM names to get an idea as to, as I said, the CentOS VM is running on node 4, which is shown over here. So let's go ahead and check that box and enter maintenance mode for that particular node. Let's take a look at the tasks that are done as part of entering a host into a node into maintenance mode. And these are the subtasks that the cluster does to ensure that the node is gracefully taken into maintenance mode. We let the task complete and the node finish to go into maintenance mode. So now let's go back and take a look at the node. And as you can see over here, the host or the node has been put under maintenance and admins can do their maintenance tasks. Now let's go and take a look at the VMs. And as you see, the CentOS VM, which was pinned to node 4, has been powered off. And the AutoDC VM, which has now been live migrated from node 4 to node 1, and it maintains its availability to the end user. Now let's go back to the hardware page. And once the maintenance tasks are done, now we can take the node out of maintenance mode by doing exit maintenance mode. So now when the node is taken out of maintenance mode, what happens is the VMs that were powered off will be powered back on by the cluster, and also VMs that were live migrated off the cluster of that particular node will be migrated back to that original node that they were running on. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's take a look at the tasks that are done. Similar to before, there are some subtasks that happen to get the node out of maintenance to ensure that it is gracefully done. So it took about 2 minutes to get the node out of maintenance. So now let's go back and take a look at the node. As you can see, the node is back up and running out of maintenance mode in the cluster. And let's take a look at the VMs. And as you see, the CentOS VM, which is powered off, is powered back on. And the AutoDC VM, which was live migrated to node 1, has been live migrated back to node 4, reducing unnecessary migrations and restoring data locality back on that same node. Now, as you saw, it is very easy now to put individual nodes into maintenance mode, and how the system takes care of moving the VMs off the node and back onto it once it's done, similar to how LCM does it for the entire cluster. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out some other videos around 6.1 features. Thank you.